G'day YouTube. Just finished that job obviously, and heading on to the next one. It's a little way away, so I thought I'd just do a little segment here just to explain what I want to do with the channel. I guess Ray Bush changed his name in his channel. I don't know if I'll do that, but what I want to do is just change things around a little bit, I suppose. Lawn care is certainly a major part of what I do, but I want to share a few of my hobbies. I've already put one up there on metal detecting. In that case it was after a bit of gold up at Tibooburra. But I've got a few other hobbies as well. I make jewellery, really getting stuck into a bit of fishing, and certainly I'll do a couple of videos on fishing. I've just received a package, I haven't opened it yet. I'll actually make a little video on that, with some lures from New Zealand. Fellow YouTube channel, mainly does fishing, but does a variety of other flicks as well. His channel name is Fishing Cause I Can, Mate. So if you want to drop over there, have a look. I'll leave a link down below in the comments or the description area. With those lures he sent me, certainly getting a few good reviews, and taken New Zealand by storm apparently, so I'll be giving them a fair old go here, just to see what they're like. I'll probably put a couple of other lures beside them out in the boat, just to see if it performs better against another. I'll see about that anyway. But yeah, go over and visit mate Marty at Fishing Cause I Can, Mate. Have a bit of a look at his videos, because he's pretty good, gets pretty excited about his fishing. Yeah, so I'm gonna, like I say, I'm gonna change things around just a little bit. Just hang on, it's a bit of a steep hill here. Yeah, so I'll change things around a little bit, give you a bit of variety, but basically it will still be lawn care, and whatever else takes me fancy. You probably know that I've done other videos as well anyway, just on maintenance things. So yeah, it'd be really good if you make a few comments down below, and just let me know what your thoughts are on me changing things up a little bit. Be great. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share the videos around. Cheers, fellas.